Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2004 Honda Goldwing with only 23,871 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a ROADSMITH TRIKE kit, aftermarket grips, and Cramp Buster Cruise Assist. It comes equipped with ABS, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, CB radio, intercom, and cruise control. However, it's been noted that the cruise control is inoperable on this Trike. The benchmark of the metric tours, the Goldwing provides uncompromising power, long-distance comfort, and agile handling. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 116 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 919 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.